After sitting around for at least about a year, we got the monster running with what's left of the fairings. And this young man is very excited to go out and terrorize the neighborhood. Here he is. He's wearing the jacket that kept me safe during my motorcycle accident. There's still dust on the sleeve here. Oops, stop, 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 stop. Crazy kid. And we're going to fire it up and he's going to go out and terrorize the neighborhood. I can't believe how big he is on this thing. It used to be the perfect size for him not too long ago, and now he's almost as big as me on it. And now he's going to run into the garbage can. I'll go get it fired up for him. Get the monster going. Easy. Uh-oh, he's he's getting a little marginal there. Hope he finds a foot peg. There he goes. Well, we'll see what happens here. He's got good gear on, so that's the important thing. I can hear him. Oh, it's close. Jay, keep your foot on the feet pegs, okay? And stay away from, come away from the truck. And the Corvette. There he goes. Comes Racer X putting down the road here. He's getting a lot more stable on it. He's coming down from the left up there. I'm surprised the motorcycle made it up the hill. I imagine he was probably having to push it with one leg. Here he is. He's being nice and cautious coming down the hill, which is good. Smarter than his dad. Thing's got a pretty short wheelbase, so once you get up to about 25 miles an hour, things can get busy very fast. There he is.